Hello and welcome to another lecture in multi-user Python Jupyter Notebook series for Generative AI ML and data science collaboration by techlatest.net. So far we had covered Python AI like Jupyter AI Python Notebook course overview and objectives, like what are the outcomes, what the participants will receive from this course, and like emphasis is on the critical role of collaborative environment in generative AI ML and data science projects. Then explanation and example highlighting the significance of using Jupyter Notebook for teamwork and fostering innovation, clear articulation of the expected learning outcomes, how they will contribute to professional development, and then basically participant will understand the tangible benefits they can extract from the course, enhancing their motivation and commitment. So moving to the next slide. In this lecture, we're talking about the overview of generative AI and LLM capabilities in Jupyter, like what are the various chat UI capabilities, what are the AI magic commands in Jupyter, like Jupyter AI, and like what are the generative AI, basically artificial intelligence and LLMs, like large language model capabilities in Jupyter. Okay, so going to the next point, like first we'll understand like what is magic, like what is AI magic commands. Okay, so Jupyter Python notebook provides magic commands which are shortcuts and extra functionalities that extends the capabilities of the notebook beyond pure Python code. There are two types of magic commands: line magic and cell magic. Okay, so line is magic start with a single like percent and affect only the line on which they are used, while cell magic starts with percent and affect the contents of the entire cell. So you can see here that the percent AI magic command and the percent AI magic command. Okay, so like basically magic commands in Jupyter Notebook are special commands prefixed with the percent sign. They offer enhanced functionality and are often used to perform tasks beyond the scope of typical Python code. The percent AI and the percent AI commands, though not native to Jupyter, serves as placeholder for potential future extension or third-party integration that could bring AI capabilities directly into the notebook. Okay, so if you're talking about the percent AI, the single line wonder, the percent AI command if implement could serve as quick and powerful way to interact with AI services or model in a single line. Okay, and if you're talking about percent AI, the multi-line marvel. So the percent AI command on the other hand extend the concept to multi-line code blocks. This could be particularly useful for more complex AI workflows or model training tasks. Okay, so for example, if I'm talking about LLMs, that is large language models. So Jupyter AI currently support the following language models like AI 21, Anthropic Chat, Bedrock Chat, Coherence, Hugging Face Hub, OpenAI, GPT Chat, SageMaker Endpoint. There are a lot of like LLMs options are available in uh, Jupyter Hub. Okay, so Jupyter also includes multiple subcommands which may be invoked via the percent AI line magic. Jupyter AI uses subcommands to provide additional utilities in notebooks while keeping the same concise syntax for invoking a language model. Okay, I will show you the demonstration and overview of commands and LLMs also. So this is our chat UI. Okay, like how it looks this is our chat UI. If you click on this, like running terminal and kernels, if you click on this this is table of content. This is running terminals and kernels when option. Here you can see number of headings. Then here you can see about the py manager. Okay, and here you can see welcome to the Jupyter AI. To get started, please select a language model to chat with from the settings panel. You may also need to provide API credentials, so have those handy. Okay, so here you can see that here our AI options like Jupyter AI options are here. If you click on file options, so you can see like a lot of things here. And if I click on this start here button, so you can find about all the models and embedding models options, then API keys. You can also give the API keys if you select any models like OpenAI, GPT, and other models, Amazon, or any models. Okay, and then you have good to go for use Jupyter AI. So, like in this video, we'll talking basically I'll show you the demonstrate like overview of language models or LLMs in Jupyter AI. In our next videos or another videos, you can show the demonstration process like how it works. I will also show you the API keys, like how you add API keys from GPT, and I will also run some programs and commands, some writing stuff in this language model and show you the demonstration. Okay, so in this video, like we'll show you the only the overview of language models. Okay, so if you click on this, so you can find about the language models here, embedding models here, API keys, and other things. And then if you click on Python 3 kernel, so here you can also run magic commands like this, then percent AI. So magic commands is also the uh, sub commands prints a list of available providers and models. Some providers explicit define a list of supported models in their API. So this is basically the overview of magic commands and chat UI, like what are the functionalities in chat UI, what are the magic commands, and where you can find about the Jupyter AI options. If you click on this is the LLMs option. Okay, so Python has cell magic percent capture, which captures the stutter of cell. With this magic, you can discard these streams or store them in variable. By the default percent captures discard them streams. This is a simple way to suppress unwanted output. So this magic commands will time how long it takes to run a special block of code in your notebook. Simply put it at the beginning of cell containing the code you want to time, and it will display the split intercept time when the cell finishes executing. So that's all about this video, and like we'll meet in next video and talking about other things. Okay, thank you.